and I'm sure you hear this a lot, is that criticizing the state of Israel or criticizing Zionism is anti-Semitic. So if you criticize Israel, you're anti-Semitic, which means you're racist. Now, this is a very strange claim for several reasons. First of all, most Jewish people don't live in Israel. Many Jewish people always opposed Israel. Many Jewish people rejected Zionism. So are they also anti-Semitic? What about those Jewish people? That's number one. Number two, so opposing Israel is anti-Semitic and racist. In fact, they're saying this more and more today. So what does it mean when you support Israel? Is there a name for that? Because if we support Israel, we support a state that has thousands of political prisoners. If we support Israel, we support a state that has laws that discriminate against the non-Jews. If we support Israel, we support a state that gives less water to Palestinians because they're not Jewish. If we support Israel, we support a state that on a regular basis, as a policy, kills civilians, Palestinian civilians, not by mistake, not as collateral damage, but as a policy. So opposing all of that is anti-Semitic, and supporting all of that is okay? How does that even make sense? How is supporting all of that okay? This is supposed to help the Jews? This is supposed to help anyone? So it's very threatening for people to criticize Israel, for many people, because they don't want to be called anti-Semitic. But on the other hand, the whole claim that it's anti-Semitic is completely absurd. Because criticizing Israel is the right thing to do. Criticizing any racist regime is the right thing to do, regardless if they're Jewish or Muslim or Christian or anything else.